How to get money from Grabpay. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get money from Grabpay. From your Grab app home screen, tap on Payments. After that, tap on the Transfer button. You will then see your transferable balance, as well as various transfer options. You can choose to transfer the balance to your bank account or another Grabpay wallet or bank account or e-wallet. Then tap on the account type you wish to transfer to. Now, enter the amount you would like to transfer. In the next step, enter your PIN or biometric. You will then get a confirmation message that the transfer has been successful. An additional 15 PHP transfer fee will be applied to InstaPay transactions from Grabpay to other banks and e-wallets starting August 10, 2022. Users may still send to other Grabpay wallets free of charge. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.